Alright, let's go over how to draw Raphael from Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem, okay? This is a very specific drawing, so let's go through it together. I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna draw a curve right here for kind of the top of the brow on one side. Curve over here for the top of the head. Over here on this side, down. We're going to go over here on this side as well and pull downward on this side. Don't forget, we have a cute drawing ebook. If you like learning how to draw something cute, go check that out in the description. Completely free. I used to actually sell it for $20 to $30. Now it's free. So go pick it up while it still is free, because I'm probably going to start charging again in the next year or so. Going to go over here now. So we have the cloth. With Raphael in this design in Mutant Mayhem, the cloth wraps all around his head. So right now we're going to go downward right here, pull along the side, curve over here, curve around here, line over here, up, down, curve, line over here, down over here, up, curve, down over here, curve over here, pulling a line underneath. So right now we're there, those are the eyes, right? So go over here and curve underneath the lower eye. Forgive me if my hand's in the way, so I'm going to try to pull it away over here on this side. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like learning how to draw this stuff. It always helps the channel out, and yeah, it's good stuff. Curve here for under this eye. Alright, go over here now. Circle. He's looking right at you, right at us. And right over here. They're a little bit closer. It's not quite going to be cross-eyed or anything like that, but they're a little bit closer. Fill it out, and fill it out. Line, line, line. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Line, line. Now we're going to pull over here the side of the mouth, okay? We're almost there, so stay with me, okay? Gonna go over here, pull out, down. By the way, if you want to see everybody else, let me know, and I'll totally do, you know, like a portrait style of this of everybody else as well, how to draw their heads, because they all have very distinct head shapes. Curve right here. All right, and I'm gonna pull a line at the bottom over here, kind of relatively flat, because we're just drawing the head right here. All right. So far so good. We gotta, you know, sit back, look at here, and now we're gonna go over here and draw the mouth, maybe the corner of the mouth on this side, and maybe mark out, oops, the other side of the mouth on this side. Curve underneath, line up, and line over here. Line, 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 like so. Line over here. Curve over here. Line, line. All right, now we're drawing little. We're gonna emphasize a couple little lines right here. Gonna give it a little bit of attitude, just a bit. And maybe thicken out the line over here along the eye to create focus, because that's kind of what we want. We want a created focus over here. Line over here, down, curve around the corner here, up, over here on the corner. And now we're going to go along here and go along the outside to give it like a, you know, much more, just thicken the outside lines, and it's going to give it a much better feel. One over here. here, down, over here, and continue. Kind of continue that shape around the corner there. We have this kind of like feel, kind of look a little bit like a sticker, and that's really something that you kind of should have. Which, by the way, we're gonna still sell stickers soon, so don't miss out on those. I'm gonna post them on the channel. Line over here, and what we're gonna throw thinner shapes. So this is really important with control. Line like so. Line around here. And right here we're throwing thin lines, kind of where the folding of the mask is going to be, because there's a lot of thin folding here and here. Line over here. All right. Line up. And kind of thickening out some lines in here. Mostly what we do is we're creating focus and anything of that sort, right? Because when you create focus, you're creating, you kind of want to move the viewer's eye around. And we can throw a little bit of the bag under the eye right here. Make sure the line's thinner though. All the detail lines have to be thinner than the focus lines, or else it's going to create a little weird, it's going to create kind of a weird effect. So everything right here, along here, you can draw a lot of these, like a lot. And yeah, don't forget something else. I want you to right now write your favorite Ninja Turtle in the description. Like really, like let me know what you think it is, and I will totally draw it if you ask me to. But you have to ask me in the comment section. And then other than that, go check me out on Instagram. I am sketch_monster on Instagram, and I'm posting back on Easy Things to Draw. Go take a look at that as well. Easy Things to Draw is another channel I'm posting a lot on as well. You guys are great. I want you to remember to stay positive, and I want you to stay with me to do another video to become better, right? Stay with me. Let's do another lesson together, and I'll slowly talk you through it, okay? Let's get started on the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.